Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be talking about cell phones in prison. If you guys didn't know, I recently did a video where Ninja Man can be seen in his fresh, godly looking white suit in jail, and that video surfaced online and people were saying that a Ninja Man a new video and he just want the people them to know say him good. His spirits are up. He's doing great, even though he's in jail. And a lot of people were saying that it's an old video and all that other stuff. But quite frankly, I don't think it's an old video. I think it's a new video. And this is what we have to deal with as far as Jamaica's prison system is concerned. Yes, it's nice to see Ninja Man they do good. And it's nice to see that he's enjoying himself. But having a cell phone video in prison is a breach of security and a breach of security measures. So we have a bigger issue on hand. And I'm going to read this article. And it says, a high-level investigation have been launched by police after the release of a video reportedly showing inmates questioning triple murder suspect Paul Coote in lockup. Questions are now being raised after how inmates managed to bypass security measures at a police station to record and release video footage of Coote, the 61-year-old farmer who was charged for the chopping death of his 39-year-old pregnant common-law wife and their 2 children. In the nearly 4-minute-long video recording, a male voice is heard asking the suspect numerous questions, including what triggered his action in attacking members of his family and whether his spouse had been cheating on him. The suspect, who appeared to be in a daze, is heard saying he was not sure of the reason for the attack. When me come to me sense, me just see a machete in my hand and said the frightening look man in their response to the questions. The development comes just 24 hours after the news probe highlighted cases where some of the island's most seasoned criminals have been able to breach security measures at the island's correctional facilities, including the use of cell phones to issue death threats to members of the security forces. Just a day before the matter came to light, it was highlighted that at least 2 policemen had shared with the news that their experience in which seasoned killers have used cell phones from behind bars to call them and issue death threats against them. It was also outlined that the phones were being used to video and photograph witnesses in cases with footage and photos behind release so that other members of the criminal networks could identify who the targeted individuals were. Police also said criminals, some of them known killers, were able to use devices to track down police officials and issue threats against them, including on their home phone telephone lines. The threats were reportedly issued because of the cops' involvement in the cases that led to the respective criminals behind lockup away on long sentences. When contacted on the matter, Commissioner of Corrections Ina Turner said that while she wasn't aware of specific cases, she was aware that officials at the correctional centers across the island continue to work to improve systems to clamp down and eradicate the illicit use of cell phones in the institution. And somebody had to say the only way phones can be in a prison is if the police and guards facilitate it. Why do we act like or pretend as if we don't know these things? This is sounding crazy and crazier by the minute. How can prisoners at GP and local lockup island-wide have phones behind bars? The system has an obligation to ensure that this does not happen. Talk about these case compromise. What happened to the basic check of all person goods of all kind, food, and just about everything entering the complex? I saw a video a few days ago with Ninja Man burning him big spliff in a prison. even the right to burn a spliff should be taken away. I don't know if you need to burn no spliff, you probably was smoking a cigarette, but that's true too. So, do you think that inmates should be allowed phone behind bars? Do you think that is a good idea? Do you think it's a breach of security? And do you think that these guards that are actually allowing these prisoners to use their phones, take their phones inside prison, and use them should be punished for it? Because it's getting out of hand now. It's getting to the point where it seems like you're living the most lavish lifestyle in a prison, and it's like a low-end hotel, so to speak, when them go to prison. So enough man not afraid to go to prison anymore, because them know so when them go to prison, them still don't have all luxuries of having 3 meals. Them all have them phone, them flat screen TV, them bleaching cream, them food where them family come prepare for them every day. They know that they're going to be good, and it's up to the guards and the people to protect that and make sure that that doesn't happen, and they're doing a piss poor job at it, because there's no way we should be seeing certain things float around online from behind bars. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think. Do you think these guards need to be punished and need to be investigated and locked up, or do you think that the prisoners have a right to have their cell phones in there? What if the guards are mistreating them or the police are mistreating them? That's how they use to protect, that's what they use to protect themselves. Like, comment, share, subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. One part of here, man. Deuces.